All right, hey everyone, welcome to Formerly Me. I'm Jim, and I have the rest of the Formerly Me team here on this session. I'll just quickly introduce everyone. I got Blueberry B, I have Terry Thompson, and I have our newest member, Haley. She just joined this month. So say hello, everybody.
Hello.
So, obviously,
Hi.
the whole world is in a little bit of disarray, and you know, a lot of restaurants, places of business, and gyms and fitness centers have been ordered to close. And as of now, they're going to be closing till probably April, first week of April. Thank you so much for joining us. So what we're going to do now is, in light of everybody being under this quarantine, we decided we wanted to open up a feature of Zoom to have workout sessions. And so this is our very first one for Formerly Me. So today, myself and B is going to lead everybody through some warm-up exercises and some stretches. Nothing too drastic today because it's just, you know, B and I. But whoever wants to join, great. I'll try to admit people as I can. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn things over to Brandon, or to B. And B, if you would lead everybody through some, oh, actually, I'm sorry. The whole purpose of this is to get up off the couch. So here's me getting off my chair and getting active. So I'm going to hand this over to B to step everybody through. Let's start with some squats.
Okay, so my camera may not be set up for squats, but we'll see. Okay, so it says I'm the host now, which means
You are the host.
all of you be quiet and I talk. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our camera set up. I'm just gonna stand back because I think that's.
I don't know how far mine will go.
Cool. Okay, everybody can see and hear me. Can everybody hear me good?
I might have to reset.
Y'all give me a thumbs up if you can hear me.
I can hear you.
Okay, cool. All right, so we're gonna do our squats. Remember, we're gonna be hips out, put your feet at hip width, hips out, like you're sitting in a chair, and we're gonna go 10 reps on this one. Whenever Haley's ready, we'll get started.
My phone does not want to stay. Okay. I think
Count us out.
Move to the right a little bit, and you're good. All right. No, not you. Not the camera.
well, it has to. Is it?
Okay, we're on time schedule. All right. Is everybody else ready? Terry, are you ready?
I think that'd be fine, but
All right, let's go 10 reps on this one. Ready? Make sure you bring that core in and you breathe out on the extortion.
You counting them out, Brandon?
Let's go one more. All right.
All right.
Hop back down here to talk to you guys.
All right. So, Haley, has there been a warm-up or exercise you've learned since you've joined Formerly Me you want to share with everyone? Brandon, if you right-click on her, you can make her the host.
Okay, so if I tap on you, Haley, I'm on a phone, so I can't right-click.
Oh. Actually, I think I might be able to do this.
Yeah.
1 second. Participants. I want to reclaim host. And then for Haley, I'm going to make you the host. And there you go.
Okay, yeah, so now it says Haley's the host. Okay, so, and actually Haley is right here next to me, but she's on a different camera. So,
you're the host.
Yeah. So Haley's the host, so now you can choose a workout or a routine that you've done so far. You know, usually when you're on the mats at the gym, if you use one that you like in particular, or if you don't know, we'll just do push-ups.
no. The bird dog.
The bird dog. Okay, I like the bird dog. Jim, do you remember the bird dog?
I don't know why you're not on my main screen since you're the host.
If you just swipe, well, on the phone, we have it set to where I can see all four of everybody.
There you are. All right, Haley. Well,
So
we're going to do bird dog.
It's just distorted. Okay, so yeah, the bird dog. So Jim, you remember what the bird dog is, right?
I kind of remember. It's like where we're pointing with our hand.
Yeah. So we're gonna get in our foreleg position here. The dog. I can't remember the term Gene used, but it was this, all fours.
Okay.
On all
Dog
fours.
position.
Not dog position, but, and then we're gonna do whatever hand we extend. We're gonna do the opposite leg. So if I do right hand, we're gonna do left leg, and we're gonna extend out and up. I know you can't really see my foot. I'll turn a little bit so you can see it.
We're bringing it in to try to do the knee.
I'll try to do it here. There you go. So if you see my foot up here, so I'm gonna go back into position now. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna extend one of each. And then what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to bring this elbow and the knee together. And it takes a little bit of balancing to do that. And if you don't, obviously reach the knee all the way, that's okay. We'll go about 10 reps on this one.
This is a good one, Haley. I haven't done
Got
this
it.
in a long time.
If you hear some popping, that's just Haley.
Okay.
All right. And then we're going to switch hands and switch feet, and we're going to do the same thing.
Oh wait, I suck at this one.
It's okay. You might lose your balance on this one.
Switching.
We're going to go 10 reps if we can. Make sure the breathing stays the same.
Yeah, I think that's all I got. We lost Haley's video.
My low battery power said. Okay.
Oh, no worries.
There it goes.
Okay. All right.
I might have to do some more.
Yeah, Haley, get 2 more in for your low battery, which you should have had charged.
You know how my phone is.
All right.
All right, make sure you guys have hydration. Where's the water? Where's my water? My water's somewhere.
I'm going to reclaim host. All right. So I'll do one now.
Yes, you didn't get your water.
So one of the ones I really like is the for flexibility, mobility. I like the one that we did with Taylor Hickman recently. We're on the floor. We take a knee, we put one of our legs behind us and up.
Yes.
And we put the other one here, and then we just lean back.
So you're going to sit in your position like this. You're going to have this leg extending back because you want to stretch out that muscle.
Yes, it's stretching.
You have this locked as tight as you can. And you want to lean back so that you really stretch the muscle.
I might have to scoot over for that.
Yeah. Okay, where'd Terry go?
Then you just
Get 'em out.
which Taylor does this thing where he goes up on his knees and he does like a switcheroo. I can't do it as fast as he can, but I think Brandon, you're able to do it pretty fast, huh?
Yeah, I'll see if I can do it in this position I'm in. You will hold it and then switch positions on your knees.
Let's see if I can do it.
Yeah, let's see if Haley can do it. Without using your hands, though.
Dang it, I have to use my hands.
That's the goal. Yeah, but you're gonna do the same thing with this side. You're gonna lean back, let it stretch that muscle out. Make sure this leg, Haley, is drawing out that way. Otherwise, if you're not feeling nothing, you ain't doing it, right?
All right.
Yeah.
All right, Brandon, I'm going to make you host. You want to give us one more stretch or exercise? Here you go. You are the host.
Okay. I think I want to do our little push-ups. We're going to do the push-ups that we did like with Taylor, though. So we'll draw it on the knees. So I ain't going to make everyone do a full push-up. Don't worry.
I did those kind of good, but he said don't put your butt
Right.
out.
So the goal, so between a real push-up and this push-up, your butt is not going to be out. So you're going to draw your hip in, and we're going to go 10 reps. lost count.
I was at 7 and I go.
Okay, so in the future, we got to keep count. Otherwise, let's go start back at 1. Okay.
I did 7, so I ain't starting back.
Well,
Jim's all right over there.
yeah, I'm surviving.
And it's amazing, you know, you do these kind of things in the gym, right? There's nothing that we're doing right now that we haven't done in a gym setting.
Yeah, and these are all things that we're not using any weights, no equipment. I mean, I only have a thin yoga mat just so, you know, because I have hardwood floors, but you just need your own body weight, and that's it. This is our first session, so I think we'll wrap up with one more thing to kind of keep loose. Let's do some jumping jacks.
Oh boy.
Let's get some jumping jacks. Let's get 10
All right.
in. So I think Tanner always has this position here. All right, let's do 10. Ready?
10 jumping jacks. Ready? Now, I mean, I'm a little room tied, but here we go.
8, 9, 10. Let's get this 10 in.
Practice that breathing technique.
All right, and then I want to close out with this last one. This is one from Derek Bird from F45. This is one that he always had me do to keep me moving if I couldn't do a particular exercise. It's basically just doing high knees. Just raise your knee, keep your hands kind of like just around abdomen level, and you just want to like literally hit your hands up, you know.
Okay, so let's take a look at Jim, see what he's doing here. Okay, so are you hitting your hands, or are you just?
It's like patty cake your hands.
Okay, so you are hitting your hands. Okay.
So just high knees.
This is one I haven't done because I didn't work with Derek.
Just high knees. And do about 20 of these, you know, because they're really fast. It's just for cardio and for movement to move your, I guess, your hips a little bit, but. There you go.
19, 20.
There. Well, guys, that's been our first session. Let me get up in the camera here for a sec. So we plan, I'm going to reclaim host. So we plan to do this every day. Hopefully 6 o'clock every day. I've already talked to some local trainers, and we are Taylor Hickman is going to be doing some sessions with us. I'm hoping to get Gene Labrada, also some other trainers from Legacy Barbell. I'm hoping to get some introductions by Henry.
Yeah, where's Henry at, bro?
No, as well. But the bottom line is we're going to do this every day during quarantine because, you know, your fitness doesn't just have to be in the gym only. It could be in your living room, your bedroom. You know, your fitness can come with you anywhere. And so thank you guys. Thank you, B. Thank you, Haley, for joining this very first session. And with that, that has been Formerly Me. And I don't know how to stop video.
Okay. So, well, I figured when you upload it, kind of.
Thanks so much.